Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. First of all, good morning. And how about you?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm also good. So, ma'am, we are meeting as a first time. So, before dive into the session, I want to know about yourself.
Yes. My name is Neeta Rajmani. I'm from Pune, Maharashtra. I have completed my BA BEd. I am a homemaker and mother of two. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like to listen to music. Sometimes I try to write in my mother tongue. So that's all about.
Okay, you write your mother tongue.
Yes, sometimes I try to. I'm not a great writer, but sometimes I try to write in my mother tongue.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, now I am telling about myself. My name is Mon.
Yeah.
I have completed my master degree in organic chemistry. After that, I did BEd and I qualified CTE degree also. So nowadays, I am improving my communication skill, and I am from Rajasthan, Jaipur. And now and my hobbies like some playing games and dancing, spending time with the family members. That's it.
That's great to know about you. Okay, you have also completed BEd. So are you working? Did you work somewhere? Did you work somewhere or not?
No, ma'am, I didn't.
Oh,
Okay, so
okay. So
what do you write, ma'am?
actually, I most of the time I write poems. But in 2025, first time I tried to write an article, and first of my article got published. I didn't publish it actually. Somebody liked that article and they published that article. So that's how it's going on. I'm not a great writer, but sometimes I try to write.
You will become a in future. Definitely, you will become a good poet. So,
Who knows what will happen in the future?
ma'am, if you will practice every day and you will have keep patience, so definitely you will achieve. And you are losing your patience and you are not working, you are skipping and you are not working with the consistency, so we can't say like we will achieve or not. But if we are doing hard work, so definitely why not, we can do.
Yes, but to be honest, nowadays I spend my lots of time to do some practices related to learning English. So in that case, most of the time I spend for this activity. So it is quite difficult for me to maintain all these things.
Okay, ma'am, then you can do creative mind, continue, and you should write in English along with whenever you are getting time, so you should write in your mother tongue also. Yeah.
Mhm.
So, like if you are learning English language, after then your thinking process is continue. So you should write in English. Already, you know your mother tongue, so there is no need to write that much in your mother tongue. Okay, ma'am.
We can.
Okay, so ma'am, by the way, I want to ask you, what is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Marathi. I'm from Maharashtra.
Okay, you are from Maharashtra. Okay, Marathi.
Hmm.
So how many
Yes,
languages?
yes. Okay, so I can speak Marathi and Hindi as well because most of the time I got opportunity to travel north side of India. Not travel, I was there because my husband was working there. So I spend my lots of time in north part of India. So I am able to speak Hindi like Marathi.
Okay.
Yes, yes. And what about you?
Yeah, ma'am, my native language is Marwadi, and after that,
Hmm.
I speak Hindi language. And nowadays, I'm improving English language also because you can know, it is the global language. Everyone should know this language. So then I started learning this language so that we can.
Okay, so can I know about your journey? When did you start and what was the reason behind it?
Ma'am, it's been 1 year when I thought about this
Okay.
language, but I was not consistent. So around I can say 1 or 2 months it's been, and I'm working on my English language, and I started with the consistency, speaking and learning, like writing, reading, everything. I started doing this type of thing, and After then, I started doing conversation videos on, like, we can say, like, on the YouTube sometimes, and sometimes you on the video call. I used to do. Then I removed my fear. I started gaining confidence with the stranger person, with anyone I can speak till now. And like when I started my English journey, so that time I was like I was not confident. Along with my speaking was not good. I used to make mistake a lot while speaking, and I was not able to read properly books also. After then, I started reading everything. I started doing, and lots of situation it happened in my life because of lack of communication skill. So then I realized myself like I should go for it because it is mandatory. Without English, like we can't join anything like a good job, and we can say respect, because like someone is speaking in front of us and we are not able to conversation in a proper manner. So that time we feel embarrassed ourselves. So then I thought like we should learn this language, and I started this journey.
You are absolutely right. And English is really mandatory nowadays. If we want to travel, we want to make career, English is needed there.
Mhm.
And it's not only about career as well. English really revolve around us. It really helps us in one way or the other. So many people think, why do you want to learn English? But I also face problem when I got message from somebody. It is quite difficult if somebody don't have command of this language, because every time we have to face English if
Yeah,
you
most of
are
the time
working somewhere or not.
because we
Yes.
are staying at home, and a lot like all people are related to our mother tongue, so there is no need. And if we are living our areas, so that time also it is no need. But if we want to go, if we want to explore some another areas, another people, they are well educated, if we want to meet with them, so that time it is necessary. So like,
You are absolutely right.
and it is not matter like if you are staying at home and we should learn English. That time you can, yeah, we can live life like this. Like our mothers, our like forefathers, they used to stay at home, and that time I think that much it was not necessary also. But suppose our parents, they don't know how to speak English, so they are not meeting this type of person. They don't know how to speak English, so that's why, but in this era, like it is mandatory. If we suppose we are going to any school, at least like if nowadays some of parents are meeting to in another teacher parents meeting, PTM meeting, they are going there, so they have to face any every step. They have to face this type of situation. So that's why we should learn this language for everyone. It is mandatory.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. So how many children do you have?
No, I don't have any children.
Okay. Okay, so yes, you are absolutely right. Nowadays, English is very important. And when we get command of this language, it really helps us to gain confidence as well. Because I don't know what is the relation between both of them. Because getting command of any language is not related to getting confidence. If you have natural ability to be confident, you can be anywhere or anyhow. But when we get command of this language, definitely we get most of opportunity to interact with people, and it really helps us to gain confidence as well.
Mhm. And people started judging this type of things. Like if we know how to speak English, they will think like that is the mindset of the people. They don't think like she or he is educated or not. That if it doesn't for you for them, there is the mindset like she or he knows very well how to speak English. They started giving respect, and they started thinking like he or she's level is high, we should talk to this type of person. Another like if we don't know how to speak English, so they started ignoring to us, and they started thinking like she or he is not well educated. So this is the mindset of the people. like uh, lots of our friends, our family members, they are well educated, they are getting good job. After then, like they are not learning this language and they don't know how to speak English. But so we can't say like they are not well educated. They studied but our native language. But it is one of, we can say, like our fault a little bit. Like we didn't focus our communication skill.
Okay. So do you feel embarrassed if you feel I'm not able to speak, but all these people who are surrounding me, they are speaking English very well. So in that case, do you feel embarrassed?
Yes, ma'am. I like when I am meeting with the like well-educated person. We can say like everyone are nowadays like well-educated student. Like you completed your all degrees. I completed all my degrees, and so most of the students completed on their degrees. So we can't say like they are, if they are not able to speak English, so they are not a educated person. So this type of thing I faced when I went this type of era. There people were speaking English very fluently. At that time, like I was not able to speak properly. So that time I felt myself lose confidence, demotivate myself. Like I'm not able to speak. Like they are talking in English, and they tried to with me also in English. But I was not able to give answer in English. When I gave answer in Hindi, in my Hindi language. So that time, little bit, I felt inferior myself. Like I'm not giving answer in English, and so what they were thinking about, what they will think about me. Like she doesn't know how to speak English. So I don't know they will think or not. But I thought myself that time. So that's why, like, only this is the language. So why we are thinking so much to take this language? We should learn, and gradually, like if we will give 1 year, 2 year in this language, so automatically we will learn. Only we have to speak. We have to create environment. It doesn't matter. It is the offline or online. If we are getting online environment, so we should try to talk in online.
Yes, yes, yes. It doesn't matter where you are living because of social media. It is quite easy to get access to improve any skill. It's not only about learning English. You can improve your any skill if you have desire.
Yeah, if we have
Yes.
whatever we want to learn, so we can learn. Before, like people doesn't have this type of didn't have this type of social media. They can't learn from the social media. Nowadays we have opportunity. Nowadays, like ChatGPT is the best option for us. There is no need to go for any mentor. We can learn from that. So that's why, like, we are getting good opportunity. Before people, they were not getting this type of opportunity, but after then they struggled and they learned this language. Some of person, they are speaking very fluently, but they didn't learn from any like social media online platform. They didn't get, but after then they are speaking, isn't it?
Yes, yes, you are right. So you have completed your D.Ed. So do you have desire to do? Have you completed your D.Ed?
Not D.Ed, ma'am, B.Ed degree and
Okay, B.Ed.
yeah, and master degree.
Okay. So do you have desire to work as a teacher?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
why you are not working somewhere? Because you're supposed to be a teacher.
Yeah, ma'am. I want to become a teacher, and that's why I thought I should go for English speaking, so that I can work on so that I can achieve my goal. Because like I was nowadays, I am thinking I want to teach online. I will prefer to teach online. But like whenever I'm getting chance from at home, so I will do. But I will teach like some of the students offline. But I don't want to go outside. It is little bit difficult. Like if we are going outside, we go if we are completing our household chores, after then, like if we are going outside, so it is not cup of tea for me. Like I don't have that much energy. So that's why I was thinking like I should live with my family and I should manage my family. After then, everything it come.
Yeah, and you have self understanding or self awareness. You feel it is quite difficult for me to maintain home as well as work somewhere. So you have self awareness and you are ready to accept that is my boundary and I can't cross this boundary. That is a good thing because so many people take burden. They want to bite off more than they can chew. And in that case, they start feeling frustrated. But
Yeah,
in your case, you are stable and whatever you can do, you have awareness about it. That is the great thing because what I have noticed that we, especially we women, takes lots of responsibility like household chores, doing job, and all these things. We have to handle lots of things.
yeah,
We
ma'am.
can't say I'm just a working woman. We can't say I'm just a homemaker. There are lots of responsibilities related to other things.
Yeah,
And
ma'am.
in that case, what happens? We totally forget ourselves and we don't think how we are feeling and what types of energy we have, how much energy we have. We start biting or more things which we can bite. And in that case, we start feeling frustrated. But you have awareness that is my boundary. I can't handle both things and I'm satisfied with that. That is also right thing. Yes, so many people have that capacity. They handle home as well as they work somewhere, and they have that much energy as well.
Yeah, ma'am. We can say like some
It's,
of ladies they are going outside, so we can say that is the compulsory. Like they are doing this type of work and they can't manage from at home, and this type of work they has, so that's why they are not doing. But some of ladies like this also, like they are maintaining YouTube channel, house, and after then they are going outside for working purpose also. So it, I think we can say like they are hardworking, and another way we can say like this is that is their situation, family situation. They can handle this type of situation. But if
yes,
we
yes,
are living with the family, this is our family. Like members are like 5 6 member. If we are living along with, so that time little bit it is difficult. And if we are living separately, like husband wife and at least like 1 or 2 children, that time like it would be little bit easy, like if we can go outside and that type of things we can do. But some of ladies they are doing this type of work, so they can't handle our health, our family's health. They can't prepare food properly, so they can't manage lots of things. So that's why after then I decided I should whatever I am having time I should spend with my family members, so that I can get energy. Like if I will talk with my family members, I will feel like peaceful myself, happiness it will come. Like if I am spending time with my family members, because it is mandatory. They also wants to me, like she sits to us and she talk to us. So that's why I thought if you have a skill, money doesn't matter for us that much. Like if you are earning, suppose if you are going outside, you are earning 50,000 money, and after then you are not living peacefully, happily. So like I think this is the best for me. Suppose I am earning money, 10,000 money from at home, and after then I'm living peacefully. I'm spending time with my family. My whole family are happy whenever I am see their face and they look like happily. So there is no need. And like if we have good partner and he is earning good money, so there is no need to go for that much. We like one of person is earning good money for our all family members, and we are managing everything behind him, like our family members, like our household chores, everything we are managing. So like it is the like we can say vehicles 2 tires, so they will manage, like if they will go along with, so they can manage everything. It is my opinion. I am not saying for everyone. It's a different like it's a depend on different person's perspective.
yes, you are absolutely right. And it's so many people don't have that opportunity to choose whether they want to work somewhere or not because it may sometimes it is compulsion for them. They can't choose they want to work somewhere or not because of their finances situation, because of other circumstances. They have to work. Whatever happening, they can't see what types of energy they have. They can't focus on their. They have to work somewhere because of their responsibilities, because of some other economical circumstances or situations. So yes, it's a different person to person.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have any question?
I want to ask one of question. Like some of girls, they are well educated. After then, they are staying at home. So they started feeling overthinking, depression because of they are not going outside for earning purpose. They are feeling like this, like we are not a independent person. So that's why they started feeling like this. So what do you think, ma'am? What we should do with this type of class woman?
Okay. Yes, it is obvious because when we pursue our degree, whatever we are doing, we want to make our career. If we have that strong desire, and after getting lots of degrees, we don't get that type of environment after getting married or because of some circumstances to work somewhere. And we strongly want to work somewhere. So in that case, it is obvious to feel nervous and overthink about it. But we have to understand working somewhere and pursuing our career. It's not the only one thing which is very important. It is a life, and we have to handle lots of responsibilities as a women, especially because after getting married, we have to handle our relationships. And it is quite difficult for us as well to adjust in new family and understand them. So in that case, some people start losing their ability about their career or whatever they have pursued so far. So in that case, obvious to feel like this, but we have to understand the situation and read the rules, what types of situations is there. If it is possible for you to pursue your career, go with that. Don't skip that activity. But it doesn't mean whatever happen in your life, you don't need to take care of all these things. Just focus on your career. It is also not good thing. We have to go with a holistic approach. If it is possible, go with that. And don't blame ourselves because sometimes what happen, they don't get opportunity to pursue their career. And in that case, they start blaming themselves. I learned, I achieved lots of things, I have lots of degrees, but I am not able to work somewhere. I am not an independent person, especially economically. It is obvious to think like this, but we have to handle all these things and get idea what types of situation is there. Try to identify gravity of situation, and according to that we have to take action. Because I also faced lots of problems since my childhood. I wanted to be a good teacher. I also pursued my BA B.Ed. I secured first rank in my B.Ed. After that, I wanted to do job, and I worked as a teacher one year. But after that, I had realized doing job is not best option for me. So I quit my job for my family, for other responsibility. So in that case, it happened. But because of social media, it is quite easy to get access to do work somewhere on social media as well. We can get access easily if we have desire. Whatever time we are getting, try to use it, make the most of it, and uh, try to live our dream as well. And if some family member are supportive, it is quite easy to get access.
Yeah, you are saying correct.
Yes, yes, and we can use social media because both of us on creating conversation video because of our family member are supportive. So in that case, we can teach somebody by using social media. It is not compulsion for you to go outside and make your career. So
And
it happens.
some of girls and women are educated. After then, they are staying at home, and they are not doing anything, and they are thinking. Oh, they are doing overthinking. So that time they should think. According to me, like if they are well educated, so like it would be helpful for their children in future. Like
Yes, yes, yes.
and it will not go like waste. If you have if you have knowledge, so definitely it will work on your family, your children.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Whatever we learn, it doesn't waste.
Hmm.
We can use it in one way or the other. Maybe you don't pursue your career, but with your children, it would be helpful for them as well. And whatever we learn, we can use in our daily life as well. Taking decision, choosing career path for our children, helping them in that field. It really helps us.
Yeah.
And we can understand the life, we can learn different perspective if we are educated. So yes, in one way or the other, our being educated, it really helps us. It
Yeah.
doesn't waste. I don't think like this.
Yes, ma'am. Indirectly, we are our precious time, our knowledge we are giving our children. So, we can't say like we are not earning money because our children is precious for us.
You are absolutely right. Right. Our family members really matter for us. And if it is convincible, pursue your career. But it is quite hard for you and our family members getting burden or with ourselves also it happens when we start working somewhere we start feeling exhausted and overwhelmed. We don't want to do all this stuff, so in that case you can skip that activity at least for some period of time and realize what is better for you, and then try to make decision whatever you want to make, but make sure you should be go with holistic approach. Making career is a good thing, but it doesn't mean we don't have other responsibility. Just keep it in your mind and go with that approach. That would be best for not only for you, for your family members as well.
Yes, ma'am, you are saying correct.
Okay, so do you have any question? Otherwise, we can wrap up. I think
It's a
we
lengthy conversation.
yes, this session is more than 25 minutes. So, do you have any question? Otherwise, we can wrap up.
Okay, any question? Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining
Okay.
me. Have a nice day.
Yes.